Hey, how's it going? Silas Haig here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a caption or subtitle into your video. So you can actually burn it in so it's there regardless of whether someone's toggling the subtitles on or off. You can use this in your social media posts. You can use this in Facebook ads. You can actually put in different languages as the subtitles. You might have seen them before. On social media, sometimes they have a video with the subtitles underneath it, and it just looks really engaging. It's a lot more powerful and keeps people watching for longer. So I really recommend doing this with your videos. So let's get straight into it, and I'll show you how you do it. To do it for free, there's a bit of a workaround method, and I'll walk you through the whole process. So first things first, you need to sign up for a YouTube account. And don't worry, your video isn't going to be posted all over the internet. You can keep it private. So simply just create a YouTube account. It's very simple to do and straightforward. You just need to sign up. And then just go to your account, which should be here. So just go to your channel once you've got it on. And then go to create a video and upload a video. And once that's up, you simply select a file, or you can drag and drop. So I've got my video here. So drag and drop your video. So I'll just show you how to do it, but I won't actually upload it for mine because it takes a little while to upload. So you don't need to worry about any of this stuff. Just go straight to the visibility and just click unlisted. Or you can click private. It doesn't really matter. This is just so that just for you, no one else needs to see this. And then once it's uploaded, click save and it should upload. Now I'm just going to go out of this and cancel that one. But once it's uploaded, it'll take you to this page, which is just the videos in the dashboard here. Now simply all you have to do is click the video. So this is the video that I had. As you can see, it's unlisted. And now if I move myself out of the way, all you have to do next is just scroll down and find the subtitles here. And now if you've just uploaded one, it might not have anything. Sometimes you have to wait a little while. What YouTube does is it automatically creates subtitles for you. And these are actually usually really accurate. So ignore this one. You'd probably usually just have this one here after a couple of hours or so. Sometimes you just have to be a little bit patient. And then you can edit the subtitles, sorry. So you just click there and just click edit on Classic Studio. And it'll come up and it'll show you here, and then you can literally just edit the subtitle if you want to. You don't have to, just to make it look a lot nicer. So you can just capitalize things or just mess around, have a little mess around, and it's pretty intuitive. You'll see what I mean. And you can actually play the video at the same time. And here's the subtitles. So that's if someone was clicking the subtitles, or if they didn't have the volume on there to come up. But this isn't burnt into the video itself. So once you've done that, click Save Changes. I haven't made any changes, so I'll just delete that draft. So just click Save Changes, and then it will come up as a let me just go back to show you. And then it will come up as a separate published set of subtitles that you've published. So let me go back through and I'll show you again. So if it just takes you to your dashboard, just click Videos. And then here you'll find it again. So this is the video we want. And then go Subtitles again. And it should come up. This is the one that you would have made. That's the automatic one. That's the one you've made. And then what you do is you click Options here. Oh, you need to actually edit on Classic Studio again in order to download the file. It only allows you to, on the previous page, it only allows you to download them with one file type, but you actually need to download it with a certain file type. So you click Actions, and this is to download the subtitle, and you click Download SRT. And just save that wherever you'd like. I'm going to save that in here. And I'll save. Now we've done everything with YouTube, so you don't need to do anything else. Now you need to just get a really simple free software called VLC. It's a really popular software for playing videos, for showing videos. You've probably seen that little cone icon before. If you haven't, it's a very small file as well. So you just simply click that and download and install it. And then once you've done that, just open it up. It's called VLC. Here we are. And then what you need to do here is you click Media, and then click Convert/Save, and then click Add, and then find your video. So this is the one that I want. And then use a subtitle file. Tick that, and then click Browse and find your subtitle file. Just try and save your video and your subtitle file in the same location, just for ease. And then click the subtitle file, and then click Convert/Save. It'll come up with another pop-up, and then you need to just on Profile here. Usually the default one, this one works, MP4. For some reason, when I tested this video, this one works a lot better. So sometimes you just need to test and see what works. Sometimes one works, sometimes another works. But even so, it doesn't really make much difference to this walkthrough. And then you need to click this toggle settings icon here. This is all fine. You want to click Keep Original Audio Track. That's just simply to, it doesn't matter if that's not ticked, to be honest. And then here, usually its default is like that. So you just want to make sure that subtitles is enabled and overlay subtitles is enabled on DVB subtitle, and then click Save. And then you need to click Browse, and this is just to where the destination file should be. So this, again, just put this in the same place where you've got your video and your subtitle, and video with subtitle. Then click Save, and then click Start. Now what will happen is, as you'll see here, it looks as if it's playing the video. It actually just needs to go through the whole video and just kind of put the subtitles in. So what I'll do is I'll pause this whilst this loads and wait until it's finished. So I'll just pause the video there just so that just whilst it loads, and it depends on how long the video is. This was only a 3-minute video, so it doesn't take long at all. And once it's gone through the whole loading bar, it'll just be a screen like this, but the video will pop up in your document wherever you chose to put it. So here's the video with subtitles one. So first I want to show you what it looks like without the subtitles, just so you can see clearly the difference. So just mind my voice here for this is for an ad. So that's just ignore that.
I'm going to show you exactly.
So that's the file without the subtitles, and this is the one with subtitles.
Hey, if you love reading, you can actually get paid to do it.
Ignore that, and there we go.
Seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to start.
And there's the difference there. And now something else that's really powerful is you can actually edit the subtitle, how they look. So the font or the color or the size or the background. And how you do that, you go to Tools, Preferences, and then you click All, and then scroll all the way down to Subtitles/OSD. Click the arrow here and it'll drop down. Scroll down again, click the text renderer, and just feel free to just mess around with this and see which ones do you like. You can change everything, the text, the font, everything like that, and then save. And then obviously you have to go through the process again. And so that's how you create a video with those kind of subtitles. Now, I actually have a Facebook group called the Young Freelancers and Solopreneurs online business community. And I actually go through a lot more of these tips and tricks in a lot more detail, and can kind of answer comments and help a bit more in a group situation, and also there's also a lot of other people contributing and sharing ideas, tips and resources in this Facebook group. So if you want to be a part of that, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Other than that, hope you have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.